on solving quadratic functions by finding the square root. Let's dive on in. There's a few important steps that we need to know in order to solve using this method. First, for today, we'll only be working with quadratic functions which are a perfect square. We'll start by factoring the function, then we'll find the square root of both sides, and then we'll solve for x. So in this example, we will be using x squared plus 2x plus 1 equals 9. You'll notice that the left side of the equation, we'll call it the quadratic side for now, will end up factoring out to a perfect square. In this case, we have x plus 1 times x plus 1 equals 9, which simplifies to x plus 1 squared equals 9. From there, we will move on to the next step, which is taking the square root of both sides. So we have the square root of x plus 1 squared equals the square root of 9. This simplifies to x plus 1 equals plus or minus 3. Remember that 3 times 3 equals 9, or negative 3 times negative 3 equals 9, so they're both the square root of 9. This means we'll end up with two solutions. Next, we subtract 1 from both sides, and we find that x equals negative 1 plus or minus 3. Finally, we end up with two solutions, x equals 2 or x equals negative 4. Thanks for watching this video today. Remember that you can use the strategies that we discussed to help you solve quadratic functions by finding the square root. In the next video, we'll learn how to solve more complicated functions by completing the square. I'll see you next time.